Tibo na ito. Ligo ang labas. Okay, the center is Soriano and La Chica. First quarter. Bakit ano yan? 3. Wait lang, wait. Yeah, okay. Thank you. First up. Here is Villarreal. Here is now Soriano. Soriano, pass to, gagawin ni Teresita. Ito na tumatakbo na ito. Basta. Sino Caldoy? What is your last name? Box. Si Box. Go! Here is Doc Mike. Villarreal to Box. Box. Torcita, number 14. One side step. Camino, Chicha, Bang Bang. 4 to nothing is the score. 8 minutes and 55 seconds to go time. There is Serena. Last touch is Villarreal. 11 seconds shot clock, 11 seconds to shoot. Soriano. Bibigay kay Serena. Hindi na kaya naman. What's that? Sister Reyes. Buksan niyo, papasukin ako. Sila Chica sa 3. Ito. Si Dokman, bibigay kay Soriano. Pass to Serena. 18 seconds shot clock. Torcita. Go, Torcita. Chicha. Bang, bang. 6-1 is our score. Marissa Reyes. Six zero. Reyes to Soriano. Serena, bibigay number 19. That is Plana. Ayos ang buto-buto ng Plana. 6-2 is our score. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Here's my TV ball. To Plana. Camino. To Box. Bigyan mo. 8 seconds shot clock. Backward violation. 6-2 is the official score. 14 seconds shot clock. Buksan mo, papasukin si Doc Mike. Villarreal, pass to Torcita, Chicha. Bang, bang. 8-2. Anong lamang ng Team Navas. Mix and match. Ayos na backdoors. 1-8. Number 18, Villarreal. First personal foul. 18, tayo ako mga 18 na. Basket. 8-4. Here is Wolves of Team Navas. Soriano. Basket from Soriano. 8-6. Torcita. Number 14, Torcita. 14 seconds shot clock. Here is Box. Rebound by Reyes. of Team Hibon. Pass to Doc Mike. Ay! Back. Same ball ayon sa ating araw. 14 seconds is the shot clock. First quarter, 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time. So yan. Rebound by Villarreal. Torsita, tira mo na ito. Kami mo, bibigay kayo na chika. Na chika. May foul, may katawag na jersey number 3-4. Number 34, that is Maglinte. First personal foul, Doc Mark. And also first team foul. Basket, La Chica. Is that 9-6? 9-5 though. 10-5. Doc Mike. Still planning. Rebound by Villarreal. Pass to the Chica. To Boogs. Boogs. Yes. First 2 points from jersey number 11. That is Boogs. Boogs. Reyes. Soriano. 14-second shot clock. Rebound. Oh! Lalabas ni Doc Mike. Wow. Chance will to Torsita, number 14. Chukcha. Bang bang. Time out. Hibon. 4 minutes and 49 seconds is remaining time. Okay, there is a timeout called by Hibon. 4 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. Score is 14-5. Okay, here we go. Oh, Sinito, number 99. Yes, basket. Basister, number 99. 2 points. 14-7 ito ang lamang na nabas sa Hibon. Mix and match. Will go well. Travel violation from Villarreal, number 18. 4 minutes, 18 seconds today by Joa. There is Garcia. To the sister. Tiramisu. 3 seconds. Suwan and who's number 8? Ascano. Ascano. Here's the books. Bibigyan ka Villarreal. Here is La Chica under the basket. Here's Villarreal to Camilo. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining down. Sulat! There is now La Chica. Chukcha. 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 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Ascanio. Same ball. Okay. Foul number 8. Ascanio. First personal foul, Ascanio. And already 17 fouls of Hibon. Torsita. 14 seconds to shoot. Books. Books side. La Chica, 8 seconds. Last ball foul. Basket from Camino of Team Navas. 16-7. Ang ating score. First quarter of the time, here is now Banjola. Number 12, Chukcha. Scania, bibigay sila. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Wolf, bibigay ka Torsita again. Bang, bang. Hindi pa tayo pwede mag-sub. Good ball pa ang ating ball. 2 minutes and 17 seconds Remaining time. Substitution. Foul number 3, Camino. First personal foul, Camino, and also the second team fouls. Pas 12 kita tayo matapos. Basket, number 13, Banjola. 12, brother. Banjola, last. Okay, there's no basket for the last free throw of Mr. Banjola. There is now again La Chica, 14-second shot clock. Buhok sa mo, 10 seconds. Papasukin ako. Ascanio, to Sulat. Sulat, dire-dire si Sulat layang. Basket, counted foul number 14, hit in the arm. Number 14, Torcita, first personal foul. And already 3 team fouls of Team Navas. Hobilo. Is now very well to La Chica. Hadja. Naho na misteryo sa kasakit ang mga pagdambahang ni Joseph Hadja sa Toledo, Comoco. 18-10, wala pa rin ang labang ng Navas. Ascanio, bilang 3, wala. There is now a Chica. Never nila. Long distance, let a fair bang bang. 18-12, Anim. Here is Indokta. Hadja. Tunggu very well. Binigay ko na Chica. 5 seconds. Bang! La Chica. 20-12, 8 points ang naman ng Navas. Ascanio, turn around. Last 18 seconds, shot clock is off. 14 seconds remaining time. Hadja, last 10. Last ball, 5 seconds. That's one there. First quarter, 2014, ano naman ng Team Navas. Magbabalin ang SK Pampanga 2026 Exhibition Game.